Hey my girls and my guys, do you see that mess behind me? Well, act like you don't because that has nothing to do with me right now. These past 24 hours, I've only slept for 2 of them because I am currently in my master's program. I talk about it all the time, and yesterday I was the first person that had to do my book report for one of my classes. So I had the book report, I had hours of homework, discussion posts, my homework that's due on Monday. I had to check in for my flight. I had to, did I say work on my book report? Well, I had to work on the PowerPoint for my book report and then work on the verbiage for the book report, and I slayed it. Anyways, tomorrow I'm going to be going to Vegas super early in the morning, and I really want to show you guys what I was going to be packing. Mind you, today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, so I'm only going to be gone like 4.5 days. I could extend at any time, but I do want to make sure that I'm prepared. So I'm going to show you guys every piece of clothing that I'm going to be bringing. My floor is super dirty. I cannot believe I am sitting on this. What I like to do is separate like my going out day clothes from my chill, laid back, like regular clothes, and somehow fit my shoes in there. This dress that I got from Outcast, I was originally going to wear it to the Kendrick and SZA concert, and it's super cute, but I think I'm gonna save it for when me and my friends go out to the club. And I was gonna wear these lace-up shoes, but I wore those shoes to the last Kendrick and SZA concert, and my feet were screaming. I also had these for like the end of the concert, but that's just the concert, right? Like, I'm trying to wear these shoes out. So this time I bought some shoes that are gold and slip-on, and in case my feet hurt, I still have these. Now that I'm looking at the shoes that I wanted to bring, I just got these from Fashioness, and I do have a wide foot. I am a size 10, but I do have a wide foot, and most of the time I don't try on my clothes, which I really need to start doing, but it's literally my toxic trait. I think I've only ever returned clothes like twice in my life. I'm so annoyed. I just tried them on, and my pinky toe will not fit right here because I have wide feet. So I'm gonna see if I can like use this to stretch the shoe out, because other than that, the rest is fine. And then I don't know, I'll pack some backup shoes. Also, I got this from Amazon. I can always wear these because my outfit has a little bit of brown in them, so this would work as well. These are also Fashion Nova. I think I also have not tried these on. Oh my god. Wait, how do I wear these? They might work. Wait, I'm so... Okay, as long as no one looks at my feet, we're fine. I also have these busted up black slip-on heels. I've been really into like the kitten heels, and they're going into my bays like that. Honestly, I don't even care if like the back of me is a mess. We're all girls, it happens. I literally have no desire to be like 100% aesthetic. Also, I should probably cut the tags off these because you can't bring scissors onto the plane. I'm also gonna pack this little number that I got from Shein. I'm like obsessed with it, and it has like that sunset Vegas vibe. I also want to bring this. I got this in an extra small. I saw another girl wear it, but I don't know if this is gonna fit me. I have broad shoulders, but I feel like this is like big for some reason. Another cover up I'm gonna bring is this. I think this is Mars the Label, but it's one of my favorite cover ups. It's really heavy and it's gonna be really hot in Vegas, but I mean, whatever, everybody walks around pretty much half naked all the time. Here's the swimsuit I'm going to pair with that. Here's the bottoms. I got them from Meshki. I love them because they have this little piece right here. And then here's the top. Last time I wore this, I was in Cuba. Super cute bandeau top. Oh, I can pack my blue one too. So I'm gonna put this in here, my little swimsuit bag. And for the white dress, I'm just gonna bring like this white triangle swimsuit top. This is from Fabletics. Some of these swimsuits are gonna be like discontinued, but I'll probably link like the websites where you can find maybe something similar. Here's another swimsuit that I think would go really good with the white dress. I just got it, and it's a blue satin swimsuit from Opoly. I haven't worn it yet, but I'm literally obsessed. Like, look at that top. And I just got a 15% off coupon and 2 $10 gift cards from Opoly. So I think I'm gonna get the other matching swimsuit top to go with those bottoms. But for now, I have this one, and I can't wait to wear it. I keep all my swimsuits in this mesh bag. And now I'm gonna pack my concert, like my actual concert outfits. So I think I'm going to wear either these black trousers and then this black top, which has a really cute like deep V moment. I did Pilates yesterday and my abs hurt so bad, and I keep needing to like get up. And I have all these dark circles. I'm telling you, being in your master's program and working at the same time, I've never had such bad dark circles in my life until I had to do that. I have these sequin shorts. This is like the main outfit that I really want to wear. These sequin shorts and this basic white top. I swore this was longer, but let me see. Oh, this is cute. And if I wear like a bra with it, jewelry, rings. Okay, I just tried on everything and everything is like pretty much cute. So then I'm gonna wear those with these boots. And yes, I know it's gonna be hot, but like, I don't care. It's cute. Did I cut the tag? No, I did not. This is why we are here today, Your Honor. And if this outfit doesn't work out, I'm just gonna wear this white romper. It's crazy when you're a girl, it feels like you have like the same outfits over and over and over, but you really don't. And then this one is my last resort, which I really do not want to bring this because I want to wear this to somewhere like fancy, you know? But I have this sequin skirt from Zara that I'm obsessed with. I have something to go with it, but this might have to be like one of my day outfits if me and my homegirl like go out and like do something during the day. Like this could be it. We may not even do anything. And if I wear that, I got this. I had a cream color tube top to go with this, but I got it in Switzerland and it was too small. But every like outfit or every tube top had makeup on it. Don't know what was up with that, but I feel like this would still like be a cute combination. And this tube top is actually from Garage. I love the texture. They had a baby pink one, but I was like, let me not do too much. I'm pretty sure that's all my going out outfits that I want to bring. Maybe that leopard top. I'm gonna pack that leopard top. Yeah, so here's another backup outfit. I would wear this leopard top with those black shorts, but I have really broad shoulders. I usually don't like things that are like off the shoulder or one shoulder, but one shoulder should be fine. And now I'm gonna pack my pajamas. I'm gonna be staying half with a friend, half with my dad, but I always love to bring satin pajamas with me no matter where I stay because they adapt to whatever weather I'm dealing with. Oh my gosh, my neighbor is so loud. But yeah, these are my Skims pajamas. Love them down. Isn't that cute? Besides satin pajamas, I do like to sleep in t-shirts too. So I'm gonna be taking my B2K t-shirt, basic top. I think I got this from, Fitness Fashioness, and another pair of leggings. Got these from Amazon. I'll try and find the link for you guys for these. This sports bra, also Fitness Fashioness, also way too small for me. I might have to take the padding out. I don't understand their sizing. Sometimes I get things in smalls, sometimes I get things in mediums, and like sometimes it doesn't even matter. A small can be big on me, or a medium could be small on me. And then this sports bra, I think I got this from Target. It's really soft, no padding. Next, I'm gonna pack all of this, which is my pink Lululemon sports bra. This one, I think is, yeah, Lululemon too, another sports bra. Another pair of pajamas. I get most of my pajama sets from Target, and if I don't get them from Target, I get them off Amazon. I think this was like my first satin pajama. I'm pretty sure this was it. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm obsessed. I actually think this is my least favorite pajama. I think I just really wanted satin pajamas, And these were the only cute ones that Target had at the time. But we're not shopping at Target right now, so. This sports bra I've had forever. What brand is this? I genuinely feel like this is like, I've had this since college or something. Because this tag is Toet. Yeah, I have no idea where this is from, but I've had it for a really long time. And she's coming with one of my faves, hot pink satin pajama set. Oop. This bra. This is probably not coming with me. Can't even find the bottoms to this. Let's see how this shoe did, and if I need to keep this on here longer. They stretched out a little. Let me look at it. My pinky toe can fit now, but they still look like bread baking around twine. I think I'm gonna do it for like an hour and then do the other shoe for an hour. My grandma just had to give me big feet. Mind you, she was an 11. Oh my gosh, wait. No, it's not. I thought the heel was like pushing in. Does that look pushed in? No, it's straight. This last part was a bit of a struggle because like in the event that I want to like hang out with my dad, I'm not gonna be walking around in like booty shorts, which these are technically like booty shorts, but they're like decent booty shorts. So I'm gonna pack these, and then I'm gonna wear just like this pink top if we decide that we're gonna leave the house. This light. Oh! There. Okay, my homegirl just called me because we're going to the concert together. I only added like 3 more outfits to my suitcase and my pair of boots. And then she let me know that she left her boots in my car. So now I have to figure out how I'm gonna get all of this stuff in my suitcase without like breaking everything. Let's see. Pause. I'm like exhausted. Literally have not slept. But yeah, when my homegirl called me, as you can see, some of the clothes have vanished because I had time to put them away. Now I'm just gonna be packing my toiletry bag. Her toiletry bag is literally her entire weekender. Gonna be bringing my makeup bag. Just gonna double check and make sure everything's in here. But I always have to have my blanket with me. I can do without my neck pillow. Recently I've been really wanting it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it here because it's only an hour. It's my little Hello Kitty blanket that I got from Five Below. Never sleep on Five Below. Okay, so I packed my jewelry. Always want to keep that with me. And then as far as my hair products, I have my shower cap, Chi Iron Guard, comb, baby hairbrush, Frizzies, Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shine Serum. I always carry that with me. I've carried it with me since I was like in college. Garnier Fructis hair putty, a hair stick, hair glue just in case, and some dry shampoo. I also have bobby pins and the silver clips for when I curl my hair. I also need to pack my brush, but I haven't clearly done my hair yet, so can't pack it. Yeah, see, this is why I just make my videos and go, because I can't be aesthetic to save my life. I forgot to pack my bonnet. Now I'm done with that. As far as bags go, I'm going to take my Louis Vuitton saddle, and that's just for like going out. Then this is like my new everyday bag. I got it off Shein. You've probably seen it in a previous video. It comes with a strap. I'm just gonna keep the strap in the bag because you never know when you want to like switch it up. Shove the strap in this little pocket. You can barely even tell, but this is for when I want to like walk the streets because it's Vegas. Lastly, I need a bag for the concert because you know how they're like super strict about bags for concerts. So I'm also going to pack my crimper. I'm gonna bring my 1/2 inch curling iron. Then I also need to pack my laptop and my flat iron, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try my best to close everything up right now. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna get this girl's shoes in my suitcase. This is also really bad because out of all the bags that I brought, this is the one that I'm gonna be traveling with. I like to use this bag to travel with because it's just everything in one place. I'm gonna put in my AirPods and attach them to this right here. They should be fully charged. I haven't used them. My ID and debit cards. I ran out of storage, so I have to do this quick, but I'm gonna put a pack of gum, lotion, some breath spray, my charger, and if I didn't say this already, my wallets. So outside of that, yeah, that's everything that I'm going to be packing for Vegas. Hopefully I create a vlog. Hopefully I'm able to get a camera sometime soon so that my videos aren't cutting off. But if you guys want to see me try on my outfits, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.